Magandang araw sa lahat, ito si Teacher Bong para sa Signaturang English 6. Ang ating paksa ngayon ay Noting Important Elements, Story Grammar, Lesson 1. Bago ang lahat, i-define muna natin ang mga salitang ginamit. Noting, bearing in mind or writing something. Elements, parts that make up something. Story, a narration or account of event that can be fiction or non-fiction. Story grammar, elements that make up a story. In short, ang topic ay pagkilala sa mga bagay na bumubuo sa kwento. Kapag sinabing fiction ay product of imagination o gawa-gawa lamang, at non-fiction kapag things that actually happened o reality. Halimbawa, ang mga superhero stories ay fiction, at ang mga heroes stories ay non-fiction. Madaling matandaan ng mga details or elements ng kahit anong story kung familiar ka sa mga elements of a story na binubuo ng character, setting, theme, conflict, plot, point of view, tone and mood, at sequence. Characters, mga tauhan. Actors or performers in a story. Kadalasan nahati ang characters sa protagonist at antagonist. Protagonist ay ang bida at antagonist naman ay kontrabida. Imposibleng walang protagonist at antagonist sa story. Subalit, bukod sa dalawang ito, narito ang kabuuang list of characters type. Protagonist, main character or hero of the story. Example, si Batman. Antagonist, nemesis, arch-enemy, or villain ng story. Example, Joker para kay Batman. Confidant, best friend of the protagonist to whom the hero confide his secrets, kaya confident from the word confide. Example nito, Ron Weasley of Harry Potter. Deuteragonist, from the word deutero, meaning second or secondary. The second most important character or characters of the story. It can either be a pro or anti-hero as long as it is the second most visible character in the story. Example, si Joker kung ang story is about Batman versus Joker. Sa Harry Potter, deuteragonist matatawag sina Hermione at saka si Ron. Love interest, the focus of the protagonist's affection. Example, Jasmine for Aladdin. Foil, the counter of the protagonist to highlight their opposites. Example, Draco Malfoy of Harry Potter. Kahit ang antagonist ay si Voldemort, ang mga katangian niya ang opposites ni Harry na lalong nagpatingkad sa good values ng bida. Neutrals, other characters of the story. Sometimes they are considered as tertiary characters. They exist to populate the world of the story. Example, ang mga ibang elves at dwarves races in Lord of the Rings. Lahat ng mga characters na wala sa mga naunang nabanggit ay masasabing bahagi nito. Setting refers to the time, place, or era of the story. Time, kung ang story ay nangyari ng night, day, or noon, etc. Place, ang location ng mga tagpo sa story. Rural means liblib na lugar, at urban kung city-like or densely populated. Pwede rin mag-refer ito sa world of fantasy, meaning planetary kung intergalactic tulad sa Avatar, or elemental like earth, water, fire, or wind. Example, water para sa Finding Nemo. Era, time period. Ang mga non-fiction, lalo mga historic, ay madalas under ng era. Example, General Luna sa panahon ng digmaang Pilipino-Amerikano. Theme, lesson or central idea. Ang theme ay nagsasaad about what ang story. More of what genre ito. Like ito ba ay friendship, love, action, drama, hero, happiness, etc. Conflict, the main problem that needs to be solved at the end of a story. Kadalasan ito pa nga ang primary factor na nagpapasimula o nagpapakomplex ng plot. Dalawa ang uri ng conflict, internal at external. Internal, kapag person versus self. External, kung halimbawa ito ay person versus nature. Person versus others. Person versus society. Plot, Main pattern or flow of the story. Nagsisimula ito sa pagpapakilala ng mga characters and setting. Tinatawag ito na exposition or beginning, followed by rising actions o mga pangyayari na nagpapakomplikado sa story. Then, the climax or the highlight. Susundan ng falling action or the conflict is being addressed little by little. And finally, the resolution or end of the story. For example, in the story Snow White, when Snow White is singing up to the part na well-known line na mirror mirror on the wall, yan ay bahagi na exposition because pinapaliwanag niya ang mga characters sa story. Rising actions naman nang inutusan ang huntsman na patayin si Snow White nang manirahan si Snow White kasama ng 7 dwarfs hanggang sa malason siya ng witch. Climax ng story ang true love's kiss. Then falling actions na magpaalam na si Snow White sa mga dwarfs. The resolution ang sikat na phrase, and they live happily ever after. Point of view. To which angle, view, or person ang pagnanarrate ng story? Kung ito ba ay first, second, o third person view. First person, if the narrator is the central character. Ang mismo nagkukwento ay ang bida. Gumagamit ito ng I, me, and my. Second person, if the narrator is with the central character or an spectator. Ibig sabihin, bahagi ng story ang nagkukwento, pero siya ay saksi lamang sa main actor. Madalas itong gumagamit ng word na you at saka your. Third person, if the narrator is not part of the story. Madalas itong gumagamit ng he, she, it, his, or her. Tone and mood. Tone refers to how the author narrate the story, like humorous ba yan, serious, sarcastic, etc. Mood naman ay ang atmosphere or vibe the readers or listeners feel in a story. Ang tone ay from the author, while the mood is the effect ng tone sa mga readers. Example sa Cinderella. Sa first part nito, ang author tone ay serious, habang ang mood na binigay nito sa mga readers ay pitiful kay Cinderella. Sequence, the order of a story. Ang plot ay ang major storyline, however, ang sequence ang detailed order ng story. If the story have typical sequence, ito ay linear, meaning from start to end. May mga story kasi na may flashback or backstory. Pareho ang flashback at backstory na babalik ang scene o kwento sa nakaraan o from present to past timeline. Mas maikli ang flashback kaysa sa backstory. Example sa story ng Rags to Riches. May magpapaalala sa rich man ng nakaraan at ito ay magiging bahagi ng story. Kung maikli lamang, ito ay isang flashback kasi flash lamang na nag-back sa timeline. Pero kung may katagalan, ito ay backstory dahil story ito in its own how the current story came to be. In summary, noting, remembering or writing something. Elements, parts that complete something. Story grammar, elements that make up a story. Story, a narration or account of something that can be fact or fiction. Fiction, product of imagination, fantasy. Non-fiction, real, fact. Elements of a story. Character, setting, theme, conflict, plot, point of view, tone and mood, sequence. Characters, actors or performers in a story. Setting, refers to the time, place, or era of the story. Theme, the lesson or central idea. Conflict, the main problem that needs to be solved at the end of a story. Plot, the main pattern or flow of the story. Point of view, to which angle, view, or person the story is narrated. Tone, refers to how the author narrate the story. Mood, the atmosphere or vibe felt by the readers or listeners in a story. Sequence, the detailed order of the story. Types of characters. Protagonist, the main character or hero. Antagonist, nemesis, arch-enemy, or villain. Confidant, best friend of the protagonist to whom the hero confides his secrets. Deuterogonist, the second most important character of the story. Love interest, the focus of the protagonist's affection. Foil, the counter or opposite of the protagonist. Neutrals, other characters of the story. Elements of a setting. Time, when does the story happen? Place, location of the story. Era, time period of the story. Types of conflict, internal and external. Internal, person versus self. External, person versus nature, person versus others, person versus society. Points of view. First person, if the narrator of the story is the main character. Second person, if the narrator of the story is with the character. Third person, if the narrator of the story does not include in the story itself. Flashback, a short going back from the present to the past timeline. Backstory, a story of the past that explains the current situation of the story. Ang susunod na lesson ay sequencing at least 8 events.
Pakiclick ang like, subscribe at notify icons para manatiling updated sa ating mga bagong aralin. Maraming salamat sa iyong pakikinig. Ako si Teacher Bong na nagsasabing, learning is fun and for everyone. Hanggang sa muli,